Welcome to Destination Jamaica. While going on YouTube, we have some results from the Diamond League in Poland as it relates to how the Jamaicans perform. Now, Ackera Nugent definitely redeemed herself because she got a personal best and also the meeting record in the 100-meter hurdles for women. She got first place in 12.29, and we're putting up the results there so that you can see. We also have Williams, who got third place in 12.38. So that's how the Jamaican ladies, queens of the track, perform in the 100-meter hurdles for women. Now, when it comes to the 400-meter hurdles, we have four Jamaicans in that one: Clayton, Salmon, Russell, and Knight. And they took third place to sixth place in that event. So Clayton third, Salmon fourth, Russell fifth, and Knight sixth. And Knight also got her season's best of 53.68. So the times are: for Clayton, we have 53.11, Salmon 53.15, Russell 53.59, and Bowl took that one in 52.13. She also got the meeting records. So that's it for now. We'll be updating you as the day progresses. We hope you're having a blessed Sunday. It's sunny and bright and nice outside. We're hoping after the rainy days that we have that the sun will continue to shine throughout the day. So, yeah, it's a beautiful one. Full joy and make the most of it.